Good afternoon, everybody. It is the afternoon. I am still in my dressing gown, but I haven't just woken up. As you can see, hair and makeup's done, and I have been filming all morning since I've got back from Italy. I have hit the ground running. I'm literally playing catch up, but forever grateful because I, as a human being, love to be busy. I don't know what it is. I just flourish when I'm busy. We have so much going on from now until past the new year, but it's all very exciting and I can't wait to share it with all of you. However, this vlog, we're going to take it easy for the first part. I have a few things I want to try on with you. I have two brands I want to show you that are absolutely wonderful, so we'll do a little try on, and then later on myself and Stefania are going to an event in London at OXO, I think it is, so we'll take you along with us for that. I still don't know what I'm wearing. This came in literally 2 days ago, so it's very last minute and I need to think of something to wear. So we'll see what happens there. But for this morning, the first thing I wanted to show you guys was a sustainable activewear brand. The brand is called Silverwind and it says living sustainably. It's a small business and I really wanted to show you guys this because I love supporting small businesses that are sustainable, because they're the ones we want coming through. So I have two sets here to show you. I'm going to pop me trying them on whilst I'm talking to you just here, but before I unravel the pieces, I just want to show you how wonderfully this has been wrapped with the twine. I love it so much, and you can see the colours I've picked are very typically me, some ivory and some greens. And so we'll start off with the ivory set. I did order this a while back, so I need to remind myself what I've ordered. I actually got these when I was in Italy. Oh yes, so this is a skirt, so a bit like a tennis skirt. I don't know if I've told you guys, but I love playing tennis, and growing up I used to play tennis nearly every other day. I had classes, absolutely loved it, and it's something I really want to get back into. I've dipped in and out of it, but I really want to get quite serious, have it as one of my fitness regimes. So this was definitely something I would need, of course, more in the summer, but if I'm playing indoors I can definitely wear it. So it's in a white, it's high-waisted, and does it have shorts? Yes, it has shorts underneath, as you can see, and it's also got the pockets for the balls, which is a must with these skirts. And if I show you a little bit of a close-up, you'll see the fabric is slightly textured. I don't know if you can see, slightly textured in this sort of, you can't see it, but it's like tiny little flowers, and it's textured. Just gives the set a little edge. It's just not plain. So this is the floral jacquard snow white high-waisted skirt, and I have it in an extra small, and I think it fits perfectly. And then the crop bra to match. I really like the back as well, with the little like hole there. Very cute. I did accidentally order this in a size too small for me, so stick to your true size. It also has cups inside for that extra support, and they are removable if you want them to be. But just a wonderful white set for an active life. Like I said, I'll be using this for tennis, but obviously if you go to the gym, walking, and also as it's a plain colour, you could style it up with other colours too. So that's the first set. Oh, it also came with a cute little scrunchie to tie your hair up when you're training. And then we have this sage green set, which is just such a beautiful colour. I absolutely love it. In fact, I've been wanting a set like this for a while. So I got a pair of high-waisted leggings, which are the perfect high waist. They sit so well. They have pockets on the side, and then you have a little bit of branding on the back. Not too much, subtle as I like it. Yeah, just a good pair of high-waisted leggings. They're called the Hay Cloud high-waisted pocket leggings in sage green, and I have them in an extra small, and they fit me perfectly. And then we have the matching bra top, which is very interesting. I loved it, as I'd never seen anything like it before, but you can see it's got this twisted knot feature at the front, and then there's sort of a meshing at the back, the mesh fabric, Again, I think I got this again in the wrong size. So stick to your size because it is true to size. I will say these pieces feel incredible. They are so soft and just lovely against the skin. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that brand as they're sustainable, small business, and just do fabulous activewear. I'll link everything below for you guys. Of course, check out the rest of their pieces on their website, and I also get a 40% off code just for you guys. I'll pop the details on screen that you guys can take advantage of. But yeah, absolutely wonderful. I love finding new, small, sustainable brands and just giving them a voice. I really do. So the next brand I wanted to show you guys was a brand called Daisy Silk, which is a sustainable silk clothing brand, and it's just fabulous. I can't wait to show you these pieces. I've been so excited for these items to arrive. Natural, soft and breathable silk, and like I said, just absolutely stunning. The first piece is actually a bit of a summer piece, but I have styled it up for summer and for autumn. I will pop this on for you and talk through it, but it's this beautiful, again, sage green shirt dress in this incredible mulberry silk that's sustainable. It just feels incredible. It comes with a belt to cinch you in with gold hardware also. I also really love this detail of the belt at the back. So the front part is plain, and then you have this like ruched part is elasticated, so moves with the body, and the gold hardware that just clasps in like that, and then you have that wonderful detail at the belt. And also quickly I want to show you the buttons. They are gorgeous. They're pearl buttons. I don't know if you can see, don't know if the camera's picking it up, but just another wonderful detail to a simple shirt dress. Okay, I've just popped you down there to get a full look at the first piece. So I haven't popped the belt on. This is just as it is. I've got it on with my Jimmy Choo Maylies, but of course I pop this on with some flat sandals and get a lot of wear out of this basically, especially in the spring summer months. But the first thing I will say is it feels incredible on the skin. The colour is beautiful, and the sides have a little split feature, and then it's slightly longer at the back. So that's as it is. Then, where did I put the belt? Oh, here it is. Then we have the belt that it comes with. Of course you could swap this out for your own belt. I actually like this belt. I normally swap my belts out immediately for my own, but I actually think this looks really lovely. To get my wear out of it this season, I would just simply add a white blazer to it, like so, and then it's wearable this season, and we still have a bit of colour before we fully go into the darker colours when it gets really cold. I really love this look, and yeah, I look forward to getting a lot of use out of this next year. I might have somewhere to wear this in the next few weeks. The next thing I want to show you is the silk midi skirt in black. This is, I think, a staple piece. I've been looking at these skirts for such a long time, and I'm so pleased that I've got mine from Daisy Silk because it's absolutely beautiful. I'll pop this on for you. It does say finest grade 6A mulberry silk, honest price, in the pursuit of affordable luxury and lifestyle. It tells you a bit of silk care and the benefits of wearing silk. Helps you sleep better, of course, if you've got a silk pillowcase. Good for your skin and hair, moisture wicking and antibacterial. I've popped this on with a cashmere turtleneck jumper. This is how I would wear these skirts at this time of year. Just roll the sleeves up to give it a bit more of a casual look. I've got some black horseshoes on, and then just my Chanel classic flat, and I just think this is a really beautiful look. The skirt has an elasticated waist, so again, very comfortable, moves with your body and adjusts to wherever your waist sits. I've tucked my turtleneck in and it just looks really, really lovely. And then popped on some black court shoes, very, very simply. And the skirt just moves so wonderfully. As you can see, it does come in ivory also, which I think I may get, because it's a colour that I think for going out in the evenings, again with a cashmere t-shirt or turtleneck, it's a piece that would work really well in my wardrobe, so probably get that. But I just think this is such a beautiful piece. You could wear this day or night. If I wanted to dress this down, a pair of trainers, even some boots would work really, really well. But yeah, I really, really love it. Oh, this piece is beautiful. So we have a mulberry silk shirt in ivory, and yeah, I've been wanting a piece like this in my wardrobe for such a long time. And what I love about this one is it's plain. The buttons are hidden, the collar's a simple collar, the cuffs are simple, and I just think it's perfect for wearing on evenings out, and of course dressing up a day look if you need to. I'm really sorry, but we have I swear building work follows me, but I'm not doing any building work, it's the other houses, so please excuse the smashing of concrete that you can hear. So I've just popped it up with a pair of ivory smart suit trousers, but just to show you, before I tuck the shirt in, just to show you how it sits. This is a size 2 and it's fitting me perfectly. I have a larger bust, I'm a 32 double D, and as you can see, it's just tailored so well. I'm not having my buttons like pulled, and it's also not too big around my waist, so it's very well tailored, is the first thing I would say. And like I said, it is just incredibly, incredibly soft and just wonderful on the skin. So I would wear mine always tucked in. I always like to wear my shirts, and also my sleeves rolled up. I always like to have my sleeves rolled up no matter what season. So there we have, if you were just to wear it like that, handbag, and it's just a really lovely simple outfit. And of course the shirt, with it being mulberry silk, just elevates the whole look. Then of course, as it's slightly cooler, I would just pop on a blazer over to give me that warmth, and it's just still such a wonderful outfit. And of course, depending on where you're going, but if you're inside, you can take the blazer off and just have the outfit underneath and the shirt on show. But I love this outfit, and it's a really lovely outfit for autumn that's light. A chance to step away from the darker clothes this season. I'm honestly so impressed. I have one more thing to show you, which is outside. And it is this incredible, incredible mulberry silk scarf. Look at this. When I saw this, I was like, I have to have it. I think this is called the Rose Girl or the Rose Boy. As you can see, it's a girl with a rose and also a horse and bow and arrows in her back, and then you've got saddles and roses and arrows along the edges. And I just think the colours for this season are just perfect. I've already styled this up so many ways, so you're going to see a lot of it on my feed, especially on Instagram. But if you did just want to add a little extra to an outfit, you could pop it around your neck, give it a tie up. It just elevates the look, even just a look like this. I have popped it round so many of my handbags already, because I am wearing slightly bigger handled bags this time of year because I carry more stuff. So these bigger scarves work really well. I'd also pop this in my hair. Of course not with this outfit, but if I had maybe like a shirt dress on or something like that, it's really beautiful to pop in your hair as well, as you can see. There's just so many things that you could do. you could do with this scarf, but I just think it's absolutely beautiful. The colours are incredible, absolutely incredible. So beautiful. This is another way I would style this shirt. I've popped it on with my Beatrice Bayliss chocolate brown sustainable vegan leather skirt, my Jimmy Choo Mayonnaise and my Jacquemus bag, and I just think it just works really, really well. This is one of those pieces that just you'll get so many outfits from, as you can see. I could keep going on and on, but yeah, I love this shirt. And I really like this outfit too. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. I hope you guys did. The pieces are just exquisite and I cannot wait to wear them in the next few months ahead. I do have a discount code for you guys that you can use across Daisy Silk's entire website. It's Alessandra15. I'll pop it on screen for you now so you have it and you can take advantage of it. There are so many other incredible pieces on their website, so you will really enjoy looking over it. I am going to crack on with my work day. I have so much to still do. Like I said, we're going out this evening. I have no idea what I'm wearing. I don't know what to wear. It's a little bit more dressy. You'd think I'd have it sussed, seeing as it's my job, but for some reason when it gets this time of year I just want to wear cashmere jumpers and leggings, but I can't. I can't to this event. But anyway, I'll work it out. Stefania doesn't know what she's wearing either. We'll work it out, but we will see you guys a bit later. Good evening. We have made it out after about an hour of being very undecided of what we were doing. It's actually a lot warmer
than the house.
Than our house. So I might have dressed a little bit too warm, but oh well. If I get a mirror, I'll show you what we're wearing, but we're just getting to
look out the window.
The Oxo restaurant is where we're going. And yeah, oh, I'm like pointing down here. See how it goes.